Hello everyone, this is Dr. Drhumaibrar. I hope so you all will be enjoying your good health. First of all, I would like to thank all of my YouTube family members for your love and support, and those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, as this channel might be a solid bridge towards your success and career goals. So today I'm here to share important news with all of you. Inshallah, I'm trying to arrange an online sessions for preparation of Prometric exam, because I have received many requests from clients about learning classes. So I'm working on it also, and inshallah sooner will announce about it also. Due to this workload, I may not be available every time in mail, because I receive hundreds of mails daily about free exam material, and frankly speaking, I try my best to serve all of you. From now onwards, those who will buy pocketbook, I will share some more important material with them, and that material is not available in free material. The reason behind this is that I'm noticing from many days that you people are editing those files without permission, and some of them are also trying to sell them further. So these are the issues. I will not upload further new study materials in free material link, but yes, still I am providing it for free. I will provide, and I will continue to provide free exam material to all of my YouTube family members. I hope you all could understand this issue. Edited files with wrong answers could be a question mark from my YouTube family towards me, and obviously I couldn't afford this. So while preparing from free material, make sure about answers. So those who are interested for online sessions about Prometric exam material and want me to arrange these sessions and to work on it could drop their comments below. My decision will be all on number of comments. So keep supporting and drop comments below, and like my video to show love and support. That's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks.